Godspeed. Travel with hope in our mind. Lose rain. The sky and the wind are only guide. Wild sea. We are all strangers to this land. And no map, no promise but the light ahead. Rolling into the grave from home.
Hi guys, punta tayo saglit sa store kasi bibili tayo ng garden rake or town heart para matapos na natin yung backyard. Tapos niyan itatapon ko pa yung mga yung mga dried na ng mga leaves at mga plants na hinublot ko. Okay, ang init ngayon, so but medyo malamig-lamig ang hangin, pero pag under the sun nasa araw, hindi mo mapipil. So nice. Let's go. Pwede naman to. Saan ko ba yung mahanap? Ay, wala akong nakitang meron naman siya, kaso nga lang medyo mataas. Paano ko naman papasok dito? Hindi naman siya yung napo-fold or na-assemble. So punta tayo ng ibang store and yeah, tingnan natin kung meron bang meron tayong makikita doon. Para saan to, mga bamboo? Ang daming tao. Ang dami nang namimili actually kasi pa na eh. Uy naku, wala naman yung hinahanap ko. Tignan mo. Wala yung hinahanap ko. 18. Naka-score ako kasi may naka-sale. Yung nakita nyo kanina, medyo nasa pricey siya na side. Ayokong bumili ng mahal kasi maliit na area lang yung may grass sa amin. So sabi ko, pupunta na lang ako sa kabila, sa ibang shop kasi meron naman yung plastic lang na So napadaan ako dun sa may sale. Nag-iisa na lang talaga siya. At ang ganda pa ng quality. So, grinab ko na from 19 euro to 14 euro. So, which is still. Tignan nyo. Ito yung tinatrabaho ko ngayon. Ang dami pang aayusin.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two arms. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine.
Get your slipper.
It will go, okay?
I just wanna see the same things you can see. Understand your meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
Yeah.
Uy. Yeah. Papa, help us kunan. Help Papa. Yeah, help Papa. Dirty. Dirty. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, bakit mandala? Medyo. Come on.
Hello, Beth.
Yeah, my ears, Brian Lopa. Yeah, I've been with the low feet. Mama.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two.
Titignan ko yung mga tapunan ng ano, ng mga green mga plants or grass. Kasi bawal kasi sila sa ano lang yung trash can. So, natin titignan ko yun. Come. So, dito pala siya. Pwedeng itapon. Here! Brian, don't go further there. We're going back. So, yeah. That's why I'm going to throw the garbage. Come here.
No, I am nog die spelen.
Ja, wij gaan ook daar spelen met die. Kijk, kom maar. So, itatapon ko na yun. Yeah. Hi! So, almost dinner na. Nag-order sila pizza o chicken. Nagluto lang ko rice. Kay kinahanap ko na ay rice. And then, hey!
Mag ik even kijken?
Nee, mama's bird.
Sorry.
Nee, mama's bird. And then, ako lang ni siyang, humuuning last nga gravy sauce dito sa meatballs. Kung napalit na ako sa IKEA. Kay, lami man ng chicken pag naapoy gravy. Okay, kamar David Kaika.
Yay.
Nataa ka. 300 ml. Nawala na ba kayo? Smartphone. Just wait na mag-sticky and then we're on. Says here, we have the domino. Oh, pepperoni. And we have the chicken and what is this, honey? Chicken balls. Chicken balls.
Ik heb afbeest.
What are you watching, Brian? Molang and?
Piu.
Molang and Piu Piu. Papa en ik gaan sowieso weg, oké?
Een beer.
Papa en mama zo boodschappen, oké?
Ja.
Beer niet?
Ja, alweer.
Brian.
Annie,
Ja?
kom, we gaan. We gaan
Oké.
boodschappen doen.
Ja. Wanneer blijven?
Niet een beer.
Wel.
Nee.
Waarom?
Want we moeten snoepjes kopen van koeien, want anders eet koeien alle snoepjes van Brian op.
Ja.
Nou, we gaan, oké?
Jij bent voor je poetsnoepjes.
Nee. Dat gaat
Alleen
heel
voor
lang.
kuya.
Heel veel nice.
Dat gaat heel lang.
Hey, niet doen.
We gaan heel lang boodschappen doen, Brian.
Yeah. If you're going to lie down beside me, then I will not go.
Annie, dat denk ik zo.
Hey.
Come. Okay, ik blijf hier met Brian. Oké?
Brian, koeien.
Hey. Koeia. Koeia.
Ja.
Koeia. Jij zou wachten.
Nee, niet te gewoon. Auw, dat doet pijn. Klaar?
Nog een keer. Again.
Oké. Oké, klaar?
Nog een keer.
Aw. Yeah, big. Yeah, big. Yeah, big. Ow! Take a plaster.
Do you like?
What is that?
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yay! Wow!
Bakit baby kahit ka?
Yeah.
Bakit ears plaster?
Yeah.